You can actually make this amount you're seeing on your screen today if only you can follow the guideline I'm going to show on this video on how you can make money online on this website. Now, by filling surveys online, which is one of the basic way for you to make money freely for yourself, this is another opportunity that you can utilize to maximize your internet present time. All that you're required to do on this website is actually for you to fill survey information concerning brand and even provide feedback concerning any kind of product you're using, and then perform offers and even watch videos online. Whatever thing you're going to do on this website earns you money, and this website is very easy to use, easy to operate, and easy to start with. All you have to do is to sign up and then fill your demographic information that are required. Once you fill that demographic information, you're going to be given 1,000 points, and this one on this website, 1,000 pound equals to $1, and you can actually withdraw your money through your PayPal, your gift card, and even different payment options that are available on this website. And one important thing I want you to know is that you are not restricted from any part of this world, any part of the world. Whatever place you are located, you can actually utilize this website. And on this particular platform I'm going to unveil to you is going to be one of the amazing things you're going to do to earn money on the internet today. It's been a long while coming, and if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Innocent Onyekachi Ogbonnaya, Innocent George for short. And on What We Judge, we actually teach you practical way you're going to earn money on the internet today by completing simple tasks on the internet, something you basically do on a daily using your mobile devices, your laptop, any kind of device you have. We can actually teach you where you can utilize that into making money. So don't ever rush out of this channel, as you can stick into it and get information that we share on the daily on this channel. So if you have not done this for the first time, if you're visiting us for the first time, please kindly put on the subscription button, tap on the bell icon, and also like this video, share this channel, and even drop a comment. With that, we can actually get into the biz of making money online on the internet. Now, today's business is going to be one of the easiest things you're ever going to hear on the internet. Now, this is not one of those videos that will tell you how you do things and then doesn't tell you how to cash out. This platform, you can actually cash out on the go with at least a minimum of $2 you can withdraw through your PayPal. This is how it works on this website. And this particular website provides you points that you can convert to cash and then get you cash out within minutes. Now, this particular platform that gives you money on the internet today is actually called Zoombox. Now, Zoombox is actually one of the platforms that you perform surveys, fulfill other offers, play games, watch videos, and get paid for doing that. And each kind of activity you perform on this website gives you points, and those points, whenever you have accumulated it up to 1,000, it gives you $1. Up to 2,000 gives you $2. The number of points you're going to accumulate on this website can be quantified into dollars that you can actually cash out using your PayPal or Payoneer or any kind of payment platform that is available on this website. And this website is easy to use. I'm going to teach you the next thing you're going to do, which is to sign up and then start making money on the internet today. So this is how you're going to utilize your internet presence to make money online and with ease and without delay. This is how it works on this platform. Box.com is actually one of the easiest things you can access from the internet today. So once you click on the link on our bio on this particular platform, it's going to bring it to this interface. I know why I took it here, so that I can actually show you how things work here. Now, by filling out my demographics on this website, I was able to get 1,000 in Zoombox point. Now, this 1,000 points is automatically $1. Now, you can actually cash out your money on this particular platform. Once it gets to $2, you're able to cash out. This is how it works on this one. Now you can actually see how it works. Now you can do surveys and then watch videos. They started with offers, then cash out your points. Now, to cash out your points, see how it works. Now it brings it to this interface. You can actually make withdrawal through your PayPal from $2 to $100. This is how it works for you to cash out your points here. And 1,000 points already on this particular website, it's already giving you $1 on this particular platform. So it works. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to teach you the easiest way on how you can actually get rewarded on this particular platform. So once you come here, the next thing you're going to do is, let me just log out so I can actually show you how you can sign up. Now you can actually use your Facebook, your Google account, or you can use that using your email account to register on this platform. So you click on new account. Now once you go on new account, it brings you to this interface: earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, and doing offers. This is how it works on this platform. So once you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do is to either sign up with your Facebook or sign up with your Google account. Now you can actually type on this Google account. It brings you here. You actually tap on any of this of your Google account and it goes to register on this particular platform. This is how easy it is for you to register on Zoombox and start earning. So once I've registered, look at how easy it is. Once I tap on my Google account, it brings me here and I enter my address, enter my city, enter everything that you enter. It will now ask you to go and verify your email. Now that is the most important thing. So once you're done, they will ask you to verify. A verification of your email gives you points ranging to almost 500. So once you verify your email, you're on your way to getting money on this particular platform. Now let's get back. Let me get you back on how I was able to sign in. Now once you're able to confirm your email address, the next thing you're going to do is to sign in. Now to sign in, you use the same Google account you've used, then you're on your way to making money on zoombox.com. So once you have signed up and then sign in with the same Google account that you used in signing in, it takes you into this place. Now the first thing you're going to see, because I've already signed up, that's why you're seeing this particular point. Now you're going to see different surveys you will be able to get. Now this particular survey will take me just 8 minutes and I will earn 91 points of Zoombox. So this other one will take me just 35 minutes and I'll earn 1,000. So that means with the 5 minutes you're going to earn more than $1 on this particular plan. Then this one will take you also 35 minutes. You can see the points once you complete this offers. Once you're able to tap on any of these and start completing, it brings you for how to fill. For now, this is how to fill surveys online and earn money on this particular plan. So once you come here, you agree to the terms and conditions, agree to everything that it's supposed to be agreed on, and once you accept all, the thing is, it brings you to this particular place where you'll be answering questions. This is how to fill survey questions online that will earn you money. From any country of the world that you are, you can actually answer these things and then get yourself new ways of earning money online on the internet. Today, this is how it works on zoombox.com. Now once you're getting a cash of up to $2, you can cash out through your PayPal or through your gift card. You can get any reward through any form and any means. This is how it works on this particular platform. So you can see different offers that you can even fill and then get paid on the go. After you have learned how to use the Zoombox platform where you can perform surveys and earn money on the internet, I'm going to drop the link of this website in the description of this video so that you can actually get to register and then start making money online today with ease without delay. So before we go, I want you to do this one thing for me. If you have not done this before, kindly pop on the subscription button, tap on the bell icon, and also like and drop a comment on this video. Share this channel. Let us reach a wider audience by you telling others how to make money online. Give other people this opportunity that we share with you so that it will be watched only by you. Now let's get into how to make money on the internet. So kindly type on the description of this video, and always don't forget to check back to this channel. Drop information on a daily basis that will actually fetch you money on the internet today. So till we see next time, bye.